Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzati binti Muhammad Rizal. Today I will present Chapter 5 IT Infrastructure and Emerging Technology. Subtopic 5.2 What are the components of IT infrastructure? IT infrastructure today is composed of 7 major components. First is computer hardware platform, include client machines and server machines as well as modern mainframes produced by IBM. Black servers are ultra-thin servers intended for a single dedicated application and are mounted in space-saving RAM. Second is operating system platform. This platform includes platform for client computers dominated by Windows operating system and servers dominated by the various forms of the Unix operating system or Linux. Operating systems are software that manage the resources and activities of the computer and act as an interface for the user. Third is enterprise software applications. Enterprise software applications include SAP, Oracle, and PeopleSoft, and middleware software that are used to link the firm's existing application system. Component number 4 is data management and storage. This component is handled by database management software, and storage devices include traditional storage methods such as disk array and tape libraries, and never network-based storage technologies such as storage area networks (SNS). SNS connect multiple storage devices on dedicated high-speed network. Component number 5 is networking and telecommunication platform. This platform include Windows Server's operating system, Novell, Linux, and Unix. Nearly all LAN and many wide area networks use the TCP or IP standard for networking. Component number 6 is Internet platforms. Internet platforms overlap with the most related to the firm's general networking infrastructure and hardware and software platform. Internet-related infrastructure include the hardware, software, and services to maintain corporate websites. Intranets and extranet, including web hosting services and web software application development tools. A web hosting service maintains a large web servers or series of servers and provides fee-paying subscribers with space to maintain their websites. Last one is consulting and system integration services. Consulting and system integration services are relied on for integrating a firm's legacy system with new technology and infrastructure and providing expertise in implementing new infrastructure along with relevant changes in business processes, training, and software integration. Legacy systems are generally older transaction processing systems created from mainframe computers that continue to be used to avoid the high cost of replacing or redesigning them. That's all from me. Thank you.